Welcome this video. Palette partition in living room interior design. In modern interior design, the living rooms are as a multifunctional space that accommodate various relax entertainment and solve one effect away to other and enhance the functionality of our living room is throughout the use of palette. Palette not only create zoom within the smart space but also add to the aesthetic and overall embrace of the room. Whether you want to introducing and elements of privacy, define area or add a decoration touch, palette can be an idea solved. The purpose of palette in living room. Palette are incorporating base use in living room interior design for various suggesting enhanced privacy. A partition can create a privacy space within the living room. Idea for road need or workspace.